Welcome dear children. This is part 2 of chapter 7 of your geography. Well, today we will start with different types of climate experienced in Asia. The first category according to your syllabus is equatorial type. Now as the name itself tells you, this type of climate is found in and around the equatorial region. Now this is that area which receives the direct rays of the sun. So children, the temperatures are high throughout the day. The conventional currents are formed and there is conventional rainfall every day, 4 o'clock rainfall we call it, in this particular region. This type of rainfall is accompanied by thunder and lightning. Now when I look at the map of Asia, we will be seeing that the countries like Malaysia, Philippines, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they come under this region of equatorial type of climate. Now as I already mentioned you in the first part of the video, that this particular type of climate is responsible for the type of natural vegetation which is being existing in these areas. So when the areas are having high rainfall throughout the day, when the temperatures are high, the climatic conditions are very humid, so because of the good amount of rainfall, the natural vegetation is very dense in these areas. There are thick undergrowths and there are tall trees, and we can say there are evergreen trees. So the natural vegetation of equatorial type of climates is very dense. So the trees like ebony, coconut, rosewood, cinchona, etc., they are found in this particular type of climate. Now, in these natural vegetation, there are different wildlife which have adapted themselves to these particular natural environment. Now, the animals like monkeys, elephants, tree lizards, etc., they are found in the equatorial type of climate. The second category of climate, that is the second type of climate in Asia, is your monsoon type of climate. Now children, when I talk about monsoon type, I mean that is the climate which is related to the monsoon winds. In this type of climate, what is happening? There is hot summers and cold winters, and also the monsoon winds they blow from the high pressure areas towards the low pressure areas, that is towards the land masses. And these type of rain, there is a monsoon rain in these areas. Which are those areas? The rainfall ranges between 25 to 250 centimeters, and we are having India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Myanmar, etc., which experience monsoon type of climate. Now, since the rainfall is there only for 2 to 3 months, which is in the fixed period, 2 to 3 months of rainfall, the rainfall is not equally distributed. Now, there are some areas, especially the coastal areas, which are near to the water bodies, they have immense rainfall, that is they have more rainfall, about 250 to 300 centimeters. At the same time, the interiors of the continents, they receive moderate or practically no rainfall, because by the time the monsoon winds they travel those areas, they have already shedded their moisture. Now in monsoon type of climate, the areas like India, Pakistan, etc., what is happening children? In winter there is northeast winds, and because of these winds, these are the cold winds and they are dry winds. They have no capability of picking up of the moisture, and so these winds do not bring any rainfall in the winter season. So when I talk about the natural vegetation of monsoon type of climate is known as the deciduous type of vegetation. Now what is deciduous type of vegetation? Now this is type of a vegetation where the trees, they shed their leaves in the fixed dry periods, because as I mentioned you that there is summer season, there is winter season, which are fixed. So during the summer months, that is during the fixed dry months, the trees, they shed off their leaves. So the shedding of the leaves is known as the deciduous types of trees. So the trees like teak, sal, rosewood, deodar, they are found in these areas, and the wildlife residing in the areas are like monkeys, cobra, pythons, snakes, etc. So children, with this we come to the end of part 2 of your video. Assignment will be allotted to you relating to this part, which you are expected to do in your geography notebook. Till then children, take care. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.